What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. We've got a great video for you guys today. Uber has launched a new app. Before we jump into this video, we wanted to give a quick shout out to Buckle. Buckle is the best form of rideshare insurance, hands down. What I love so much about Buckle is I get to combine my normal day-to-day driving policy with my rideshare driving policy. This is tremendous because I previously have paid for two policies. One for Uber and Lyft, and then one for just getting groceries and everything else. Very frustrating, and I know a lot of drivers like me have lost a lot of money we didn't need to lose paying for two policies. On top of that, they're very affordable. They're gonna cover you in any incident that happens. And one of the best parts is you're gonna get $20 just for getting a free quote by using the link in the description below. So go get a quarter tank of gas by checking out Buckle, and let's dive in. Uber has launched Uber Restore, a special app in Ukraine to help transport art conservators. The Russian invasion still poses a major threat to museums, historic sites, and other cultural heritage in Ukraine. Now an unlikely ally has stepped into the fray. Believe it or not, it's Uber. The ride-sharing service is partnering with the Ukrainian Ministry of Culture's National Research and Restoration Center to help protect and preserve endangered artifacts and locations through a special version of the app called Uber Restore. The company's offering Ukrainian conservationists, free on-demand rides as they work to identify, restore, and protect damaged or threatened cultural heritage. Since May, Uber has provided transport to over 100 sites across the nation, helping secure important national treasures and evacuating them to safety when necessary. Since the first days of the war, Russia has been destroying Ukrainian cultural heritage. Ukrainian Minister of Culture, Alexander Tikhanchenko said in a statement, museums, places of worship, architectural landmarks were heavily damaged, many irreversibly. Colleagues from Uber offered us the necessary logistical support, such as cars, fuel, and drivers for checking the state of preservation of objects at the museum fund. So if you're in a dire time in Ukraine and you have some valuable art, do not be dismayed because some fine lad in his Honda Civic will come pick up your art and escort you to safety. And I shouldn't joke about it because it is pretty cool that they're doing this. One of the only things they do that I don't hate, but the idea of like dudes like whipping around in Priuses as like missiles are flying by and they've got like a big piece of art in their car. It's mildly entertaining to me. So anyways, let me know your guys' thoughts in the comments. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Definitely check out Buckle in the description below. An amazing service. And as I said, you guys can get $20 just for getting a free quote. Amazing offer there. Check it out, guys, and stay tuned for more updates.